TRX Dynamic Warmup. The first sequence begins with an assisted squat up into a row with neutral grip and elbows in. After a few reps, change your pull to palms down and elbows at shoulder level, continuing with the same squat pattern in between. Change the pull once more to a palms up biceps curl, totaling somewhere between 8 and 12 reps. For the second sequence, alternate taking big lunge-like steps beginning with an overhead triceps extension. Elbows should be high, tucked in, and palms facing away as you extend your arms straight out. After a few reps, bring your arms out wide with a slight elbow bend and palms facing forward. You'll be stepping into an assisted chest fly. This is a smooth and efficient warm-up series that activates all major muscle groups, making for a great way to start any workout.